Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel first and like. Today I am going to talk about my DJI OSMO MOBILE SE, a smartphone gimbal. My favorite hobby is traveling. So this DJI OSMO MOBILE SE smartphone gimbal is very important to me. If you are a content creator, then it is definitely a good decision to invest in this. I will now explain a little about this. The DJI OSMO MOBILE SE is a foldable, lightweight smartphone gimbal with 3-axis stabilization, featuring intelligent features like ActivaTrack 6.0, dynamic zoom and hand gesture control, making it easy to capture smooth and creative videos. Key features and specifications: foldable and portable. The gimbal folds down for easy storage and portability. 3-axis stabilization effectively eliminates camera shake for smooth footage. Magnetic phone clamp allows for quick attachment and detachment of your smartphone. ActivaTrack 6.0 reliably follows subjects, even in multi-person scenes or during fast movements. Dynamic zoom allows you to zoom in or out to add depth to your shots. Hand gesture control enables starting, stopping recording with hand gestures. Operating modes offers follow, tilt-locked FPV, and spin-shot modes for creative flexibility. Quick roll quickly switch between portrait and landscape recording. DJI Mimo app, the companion app for the OSMO MOBILE SE, offering tutorials, editing tools, and remote control via Apple Watch. Grip tripod included for added stability and versatility. Battery life up to 8 hours of recording time. Compatible phones. Supports smartphones with a width of 67 to 84 millimeters, a thickness of 6.9 to 10 millimeters, and a weight of 170 to 290 g. Please remember that to enjoy using this mobile gimbal, you must download the DJI Mimo app from the App Store or Play Store. Okay? So, we'll meet again another day with a new video. Please subscribe my channel and like. Thank you for watching my video.